the shop now. And so we're going to be eating now. Like, come on, ice chocolate. The kids is very good.
Yummy? Thumbs up if you like it.
Also, you know, the background's really magical.
Wow. Well, the avocado
I
looks
want a
really
banana,
fresh. Actually,
but
everything looks fresh. So nice. Nandito kami under the Story Bridge. Yan yung malaking bridge dito sa Brisbane, guys. Super nice. Maliit lang siya na cafe. Anong pangalan ng cafe? Byron Moonshine Coffee. Super nice. Sobrang liit lang ng ano nila space. Dito kami nakaupo. Andyan. And then a little shop next door. And yan yung playground. Saan kami yung birthday ni Baby Salane. Last year. Diyan. The river is just there. Super nice. Maganda today kasi hindi siya umuulan yet. It's been raining the whole week pero ano siya, stop.
No, it's so hot.
It's hot, is it?
Yeah.
It is hot, yeah, even though it's raining, still hot, guys. Tingnan niyo, I'm wearing this pero manipis naman siya, but I'm sweating.
Mommy, your t-shirt.
Yeah, I love your dresses. See, you have the same dresses. So cute.
I like watching.
Ice cream, yes. It looks cute. And Lenie's wearing her new, show your shoes lang.
I'm not.
Crocs.
No.
Ambot na yung kamo bitang duha bitaw, bantay lang sa ako ba. Wow, how cute is this little Crocs for Lenie?
Nice one.
Yes. Dad is wearing Crocs as well. Show your Crocs,
Mommy,
right?
Mommy and me are the same.
Daddy with his Crocs. Don't throw it. May nakita kaming bulaklak doon on artificial. It's actually very nice. Sa daan. Bring it home. After namin mag-breakfast, just take the kids for a quick play sa playground na yan. Good girl, Lini. She's learning with her Crocs. Normally kasi yung Crocs niya, inano niya yung strap ba sa likuran. Yan, parang ano lang siya, mules, slides. Okay, go! Ayan yung river, oh. City cats there as well. Ferry. You alright, anak? Baby, we'll fix your shoes back. One more? Pasta! Woo! Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Tanghali na. Iinom ako nitong panadol. Sakit ang ulo ko. So, alam niyo ba kung saan kami pupunta kaninang umaga? So, maaga kami umalis kasi at 10 o'clock may pinick up akong clothes rack from Facebook Marketplace. So, sa Kangaroo Point siya naka-base. It's around 12 minutes drive galing sa amin. And, oh my God, it's very interesting, guys. Kaya nga siguro sumakit yung ulo ko. Mas worry ako sa inyo. So, yung nagbebenta kasi, nasa parang apartments siya nakatira. So, nag-message siya sa akin. It was a bit tricky, actually, to find her place. So, dinala kami ng navigator sa, I don't know, I think the back of the building. And she said, yeah, that's fine. You can just stay there. Press the blah blah and then like, ring the bell and all that. So, pinapasok niya kami, nag-park kami sa parang visitor car spot. And she came down with this, you know, clothes rack. Although, minention ko na sa kanya beforehand na can it be disassembled for transport? Kasi yung sasakyan, ano man, okay yung sasakyan, magkakasya siya kung wala yung mga kids sa likuran, I think. But since yung may mga bata sa likuran, hindi pwedeng ma-fold yung upuan namin. So, I had to disassemble the thing. So where the clothes rack. I've got all the screws and everything. Napasok na sa sasakyan. And then, umakyat na sa taas yung nagbenta sa amin. So kami, since panalagay pa yung kids balik sa sasakyan. And then, I was getting ready to, you know, like, drive out from the car park. Tsaka ko pa na-realize, sabi ko, hala, meron bang dito? Tawag dito, yung parang exit na, button para makalabas kami. Kasi di gate eh. Tapos wala man kami makita. So, na-message ko siya kagad. Sabi ko, is there any button to press para makalabas kami dito? Kasi I can't see anything. So, na-stuck kami doon sa baba. So, hindi siya nag-reply. Hindi niya nabasa talaga. Hindi niya na-read yung yung message ko. And then sabi ko, sorry to bother you. Wala talaga. So, na-stuck kami doon sa, sa car park. Meron mang emergency something doon. Pinush ko kasi akala ko yun yung din ba, ma-open yung gate. Pinush ko kasi sabi emergency exit or something. Wala man, hindi nag-open. It just made a noise. So, a few moments later, bumaba isang matandang babae. Maikli yung buhok. My God, she is so, sorry for the word guys, but she's so bitchy. Like, sabi niya, what are you doing here? Pag ganun pa siya. And, sinabi namin sa kanya na ganito, hindi kami makalabas. And yeah, we just wanna go out. Oh my God, alam niyo ba guys? She treated us like we committed the most bad, like really bad crime on earth. Pinagtangkahan niya kaming magnanakaw. Sabi niya, hindi ko kayo ipapalabas. Pag ganun pa niya, hindi ko kayo ipapalabas kasi security, ganyan siya. Tapos Daddy Mike naman, alam niyo naman mahinahon doon sa Daddy Mike. So, Daddy Mike opened the back door. Sabi niya, I've got kids. Sabi pa niya sa amin guys, so, don't use the kids on me. Parang huwag niyong gamitin yung bata sa akin. Hindi daw siya maladala sa mga ganyan-ganyan. So, I opened the boot. Sabi ko, look, we just purchased this from a lady who lives here in one of these apartments. Unfortunately, she's not replying now. For some reason, she's probably on the phone or something. And, yeah, you can draw on that one, honey. And she's not, I showed the conversation. Sabi ko, she's not replying. Look, she's not reading the message. And she's like, baka magnanakaw daw, ganyan. Marami daw mga ganyan na daw ngayon. Kaya very mahigpit daw sila. So like, look, we understand, right? And Daddy Mike, alam niyo ba guys, first time mo nakita si Daddy Mike na nag-act ng ganun. Kasi very mahinahon yan siya. But sabi niya sa akin, pagtangkahan kami na magnanakaw, I've got my kids on the back and all that. It's disgusting. Sabi ni Daddy Mike sa kanya, do you want water? Oh my God, she's so like, seriously guys, she's got attitude. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, you know, like, she's got no permission to talk to us like that. Even though, nandun tayo sa loob, wala siyang karapatan na, you know, she can always ask us like nicely kung bakit tayo nandoon. Not straight away na sabihan tayo na baka magnanakaw, ganyan. What is it, anak? Pinakita ko yung conversation namin sa Facebook na hindi nagre-reply yung nagbenta sa amin ng clothes rack. Sabi niya, okay, I'll let you out now. Sabi niya, actually, before that, pumunta pa siya sa labas kasi, di ba, you can use the pad there para tumawag sa, sa room. Ay, itong babae nagbenta sa amin, ewan ko kung anong ginagawa niya, nagtumai ba or whatnot, hindi man sumagot. Sabi niya, no, she's not answering, sabi niya ganun. So, yun na nga, pinakita ko yung conversation na, she said, why don't you message her? Why don't you call her? Ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, I did message her, but she's not replying. She didn't even read my message. And then, anyways, after all that, pinalabas niya kami, inopen niya yung gate. And then, tsaka pa nag-message yung babae. Sabi niya, oh my God, you know, my bad, are you still there? Are you still stuck? And then, si Daddy Mike na yung nag-reply sa kanya. Sabi niya na, yun na nga, yeah, the lady, blah, blah, blah. And she thought, like, we were like, we're burglars, you know. And then, sabi niya na, is it the old lady with the short white hair? Sabi niya, Mike, yes. She said, that be. You know the word? Sabi niya, and then she told us that that's the reason why she's selling all the stuff, because she's moving. She said like, I can't deal with her anymore, and you know, that's why she's moving apartments, and that's why she sold her clothes rack to us. Kasi makita yung ulo ko. Hopefully mag-work nito soon. Sobrang init pa. Mix-mix ng dahilan ng sakit ng ulo ko, guys. Anyways, we've got the clothes rack now guys sa sasakyan. And ilalagay ko yun siya sa garage for my clothes and everything para mahang na doon yung mga magaganda. And I have to, kailangan ko na naman siya i-assemble. Hindi naman siya mahirap. Sobrang bilis na. Yan ang aking screw. My God, muntik pa kaming mapahamak sa aming $25 na clothes rack. Just go work. We're at the shops now. Ayan na yung donut. Come on, we'll get later, honey. We'll just go post office here. Punta ako ng post office, guys. I have to post this Burberry bag. And then, these two will go with Daddy. We'll get something to drink. Hey, you're going with Daddy. Oh, good. Walang tao. Kiss Mama B. Bob, ooh, you okay, honey girl? Up. You okay? Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama. I'll see you there. We're back at the shops again. We're getting the yung mga hindi namin nabili kahapon. Blanket, undies, and all that stuff for the girls. This one is cute. Do you think this fits Leanie's head? Oh, this is 7 to 10 years old.
I think you had to get one from the school.
Walking back to the car now, guys. Nearly 5 o'clock ng hapon. Alam niyo ba, ang ating baby Celine ay walang nap hanggang ngayon. She's been a naughty girl this afternoon. But nabili na namin kung ano yung gusto namin bilhin. I got some water as well from Kohl's. At tingnan niyo, binili ko bulldog. Ano siya? Korean ramen na so hot. And yeah, gusto kong kumain. Nag-crave ako niyan, so bumili ako. Right, girls? What, Daddy?
Huh?
Why are you pushing it away?
Oh, because it's naturally falling down.
Okay. I think like maybe Paris is, because Paris is on the front. Paris loves the seaweed crackers. Not seaweed crackers. Seaweed talaga siya na yung dry ba? Home time. I think Leanie's gonna fall asleep in the car. If not, maaga yan siyang matutulog mamaya. Okay. Bumili din pala ako ng donuts, guys. Remember yung donut na bilhin namin the other day? Nag-sale sila. $5 off. Ayan. Time check, guys. 5:40. Nakauwi na kami. And I just wanna flex Daddy Mike's beard free face.
Do you want to flex?
Very soft. I'm just flexing. Like I'm showing. Flexing. Show. Actually, show you while the Mike is here. Daddy Mike bought me. Pakita ko sa inyo yung family namin. Look at this. Oh, it smells so good. Daddy Mike bought me this. What's this one again?
Baka Raban 1 million.
Lady Million. Why did you get this one for me, Daddy? Tell me.
Because I bought this one for me, and it's like we're a couple. A power couple.
Sobrang cute ng kanyang sister lang, guys. Tingnan nyo. But it looks, sobrang liit lang, Daddy. 30 mil. Tingnan nyo. Look at this. Lady Million. Smells so good, babe. Ito yung pang men.
And I don't want to hear any comments about houses. True? True?
Okay. Kasi alam nyo guys, nasabi ko kay Daddy Mike kasi kapag may nag-comment, pinapapasok kasi kay Daddy Mike yung mga ano nyo dyan. So, di ba may nagsabi, every time na we buy something for ourselves, we do something, we eat outside or anything like that, may nagsabi na, oh, instead of doing that, why don't you buy a house? So, kaya sinasabi nila.
It's a bottle of perfume. Relax. It's not
We can buy a house with $70, eh? So that's the one. It smells really good, guys. Seriously. Wait, try natin. Bumili kami ng bagong bag ni Ate Paris. Alam niyo ba guys, sabi ni Daddy Mike, sana ginamit na lang natin ulit yung bag ni Ate Paris, yung ginamit niya sa prep. So, alam niyo ba, ito ha, $55. Diyos ko. So, sabi ko, sige na lang kasi if ever na ano, may kaano ba, maswap ba. Old kasi yun, alam niyo, ako guys, kapag ano, maganda kasi kapag ano, grade 1 sa Ate Paris, brand new yung gamit niya, alam niyo yung ganun. So, yeah. Anyways, ayan siya. And then, where's the hat lang? I got this hat for $25 in school niya, Ate Paris. Nice. And then, nilagay ko dito sa loob yung mga pinamili namin sa shops. Yan yung sinabi ko kanina na noodles na, ano, hot. I got some undies. Ayan. Ano ba to? 7-pack. For Celine. Bili din ako for Ate Paris eh. Ewan ko saan nalagay. And the blanket for Celine. Alam niyo ba, naka-half price to siya. So from 10, I only paid $5 for this one. I couldn't believe I paid too much yesterday for the sheets, but it is what it is. And I thought these are cute. Tingnan nyo. So, twinning-twinning ang ating baby girls. Para walang iyakang magaganap. And then, here's another twinning here. Ayan. Paris Celine. So, and then, ayan. Ito pala yung undies. Mga, ano, panty for the girls. And then, ito, binili ko, marami, dehumidifier. Kasi, you know how humid it is in Brisbane. So, we need nito. Actually, hindi ko pa ito nagamit sa garage. Binili ko to for the garage, guys. Kasi alam naman, doon yung mga gamit na marami. At ayokong mag-molds. So, bumili ako ng 6 nito. I'll put this in the garage. And, oh yes, bumili ako ng bagong hikaw ni Ate Paris. Ito yung binili kong hikaw for her. Ah, sobrang cute. Ayan yun. Ano ba? Sobrang cute. Flower na bato. Ano niya, balik school niya. And then, now, just went to Woolies. We got, Coles. We got water. Some drinks. At nakita ko yung donut na binili. Yan, 2 na lang yung naiwan. Look. Si Baby Celine ay natutulog at the moment. Pinadedi ko pag uwi. Nakatulog. Soon, in I think 40 minutes time, alis kami. So it's Friday night. We're meeting some friends sa restaurant, sa pizza place kung saan kami pumupunta normally every Friday night. So we're gonna go have pizza night tonight. Paris will see her friend, her classmate. So it's gonna be good. She's very excited. She's actually very tired as well, but you're tired? Try to rest, honey. We still have 40 minutes. Do you want to have a nap? A quick nap? No. You go in the bedroom with Celine, because there's some air conditioner there. No? Not go. Naghihintay kami ng pizza namin guys. Kanina pa. Dilim-dilim na. Ooh! Yes, Kami. Ang daming mosquito. Grabe. Hey, can you see it? Guys, you probably can see it. Oh, there. Grabe. Ayan yung classmate niya.
Mommy, can you put it up
Tapos yung sister
there
niya.
so I can see?
Which one? It's not a possum. It's a snake! Oh!
Snake! Where?
Ice cream time. Sa gisinot. Tingnan niyo, basang-basa. Oh, tingnan niyo. That's all sweat. That's
that
how
lightning
hot it is.
anywhere near us, is it?
Which one?
The lightning.
I don't know, honey. Yeah, Mate?
And then there was the father, the son,
No, she's following you lang. Your hair.
the son, the Holy Spirit, bedded. Amen. Thank you, Abby. I'm going to sing now. Please protect me. I pray that I never have bad dreams. Yeah. Ever again. Is that what Leonie chooses? Two. And the name of the Father, the Son, Holy Spirit, bedded. Amen.
Hey, good night, Ate.
Good night, God. Good night, angels.
Good night, Lini. Ate, good night, Lini.
No,
I love you.
Ate. Kiss Ate.
Kiss Ate. I love you. I love you. Good night.
Ouch!
Night, Mama.
Mom.
I love you, Ate.
Mm.